Limitless ones, career explorers and job seekers. Have you ever wondered about the magic of blockchain? It is not just for cryptomaniacs. It is a gateway to amazing career opportunities in various industries. Corporate interest in blockchain is rising as the technology's applications in areas other than cryptocurrency become apparent. For example, blockchain technology is being used for improving supply chain transparency, creating loyalty programs for customers, and designing and marketing NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens. Therefore, besides banks and other financial institutions, companies in other sectors are taking an active interest in applying blockchain technology across their business lines. There is also an increase in investments in collaborative blockchain technologies. These are the sector-wise percentage of companies using blockchain from the period of August 2021 to August 2022. And look at the sectors. It includes consumer and retail, tech, media and telecom, energy and utilities, financials, basic materials and industries, as well as healthcare. Here are the top companies using blockchain for the same period. You would recognize many of these big brands. Take a look. So, whether you're a newbie or looking for a career switch, blockchain has a spot for you. The possibilities are limitless, and your dream job could just be a blockchain away. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and ride the blockchain wave to success.